Okay, good evening, everyone. Today is tonight is I'm going to share to you for this computer literacy 1 to 4. Uh, this is my 8th year anniversary of San Isidro Parish School, and then I hope that I will create a computer video tutorial for you. This is the memorable experiences I'm studying in San Isidro Parish School. So I hope you enjoy learning about computer literacy. Uh, I hope you have to apply on it during your activities and hands-on activities, because I want to share it to you about some experiences that I have to you. So my first video tutorial is all about introductions of computer. But before that one, I have to search some books from my own basta own bag, and own my what's called that, a container consists of lots of computer books that I've stored. It's because we need to understand understand about computers. You cannot go away if you did not understand it. So be sure to understand what is computers to you, and what is the parts, what is primary storage, secondary storage, input, output, and lots so on. So today, manatong tutorial. So please like my Facebook page, like fan page, and then if you have some questions, please PM me on the Facebook, and then let's get started. But not for now, because I'm still studying on my fourth year in college. So just waiting for the vacation, this coming April to June, April and so on. So I see you next time, and God bless.